Okay, so we're back after the bell this time with this solution, so we'll kind of go back over this a little bit. So anything to the power 0 is 1. We can prove that through our subtraction rule, right, that we looked at the last time. So if we get x to the power 4, for x to the power 4, our subtraction rule says we're going to do 4 take away 4, which gives us x to the power 0. But also, which is really interesting, because we've got the same term in the top and the same term in the bottom, we can cancel both of these, and they both say 1x to the power 4. So, the 1's remain, which gives us 1 divided by 1, so the answer is 1. So these two things are equal. Okay? So then anything to the power anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay? Let's move on to this one here, right? And all we're saying here is that if we've got a negative power, we can make that a positive power on the denominator. Okay, and I'm going to show you how that one works as well. Right, so if we have x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 3, okay, our subtraction rule is going to tell us that that's going to be x to the power 2 take away 3. And 2 take away 3, if you remember our negative numbers, is x to the power negative 1. But let's look at that from an algebraic fractions point of view as well. Okay, so if we look at x to the power 2 over x to the power 3, right, and we write that out in full, so what I mean by that is like this. Okay, so x squared over x cubed is going to be written down like this. Okay, and if I cancel everything down, right, so I've got this x will cancel with this one will cancel with this one, and remember if there's nothing on the top line, we can say that there's 1 there, and we can say that that's 1 over x, like that, okay? So let's look at an example with that just now. So I hope you get that, right? So it's like, you can see from our division rule, when we subtract the powers, we get negative 1, okay? And then we can also see if we expand that out, then we get 1 over x. So again, these two things are equal, and remember, this x by itself in the bottom, it's really got a power 1, okay? So that's quite interesting. Right, so let's look at an example how we would actually work with this in practice. So, if we simplify just simply what we have, x to the power negative 4, and that's going to be equal to 1 over x to the power 4. It's really that simple, okay? So you can either kind of learn the reasons why the rules work, which are these here, okay, or you can basically just learn them kind of by rote and just say, well, if it's a negative power, I put 1 over the positive power. If it's to the power 0, I just put 1. Okay, so you can kind of do either or. We will explore this more in class, so we'll explore the reasons why this all works when we're in class. We'll see you again there, alright? But until then, if you can kind of just learn those and work with them, then that would be really, really good, okay? So I hope you got everything that was in the video. Please rewind me, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please, and I'll see you in class. Thanks.